Good afternoon, Dr. Angela Cherniawski, Blanc Chiropractic, specializing in short-term treatment for neck and back pain. This right here is Drew. This is his third visit? Third visit. So he came to me earlier in the week, severe neck pain and headaches. He's had 2 visits already. Tell me, how do you feel?
Probably the best that I have felt in years, honestly. Pain-free, ache-free, everything. You've been amazing.
Awesome, awesome. So right now I'm going to adjust Drew's neck since that is his main concern. All the way to the side here for me. Shoulder down, chin up.
Ah.
I love it. Oh. One more.
Ah.
This is called an emotional release right here, folks. All right. I'm Dr. Angela Cherniawski, Blanc Chiropractic. I'm here Monday through Thursday, 10 to 1, 3 to 6. You can schedule at our website. You can give us a call, or you can feel free to walk in anytime during business hours. Our information, our contact information is going to be below in the description.